Ooh, sorry for the horrible lighting. Today is day 2. Ooh, sorry, I just got taken up. Day 2 of whatever Vlogmer. And sorry, this. Oh boy, I just got the freaking hiccups. Isn't that great? Do you know how to cure hiccups? Isn't that wonderful? What you doing?
What you doing?
No, really, what are you doing?
No, really, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Putting on some mitts because my hands are cold.
Serious. Wait.
There's my mitts.
So.
Watch. Yes. This thing in.
Just making a little snack.
Hey, not too much salt.
Yep. Alright. A really good little snack is a raw potato. Like some raw potato with salt on it. I don't know, it's just really good. Darn hiccups. Toe cheeks. Alright guys, so it's been a few minutes and I just found out that raw potatoes with salt on them cures hiccups. Wasn't that great? Yeah. So this is like a cool fact. And yeah. Can't see me. Someone can't see me. There we go. Sorry, it's a short video. I'm gonna go watch some Logan and Jake Paul. Peace.